back. Now, the trouble for Congress does not seem to be ending anytime soon. After Punjab, now there's reports of infighting in Congress in Karnataka. The latest instance comes across with regard to the camps of Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar. They've both, in fact, started projecting themselves as chief ministerial faces ahead of the next assembly elections in the state. Now, taking cognizance of the growing chaos in the Grand Old Party, Congress High Command has stepped in and leaders have been asked not to make statements on a CM candidate publicly. Let me go across to my colleague Neha Hebale, who's been tracking all the updates. Neha, we know that the assembly elections in Karnataka is some time away, but we can see that Congress infighting in the state has already started. Give us details of what exactly are, the political chatter within the Congress from the Siddaramaiah camp side and the DK Shivkumar camp side.
Well, Tanima, you're absolutely right. Ever since the time that DK Shivkumar took charge as, the Congress in charge over here in the state of Karnataka, ever since he was elected as the president of the party, we've seen how, there has been a lot of infighting within the party itself. There are two separate camps now that we're seeing. And while, of course, till at least some time back, this dissidence was quelled, we're now seeing this dissidence out in the open itself, where these two camps are, speaking out against each other, both the DK Shivkumar camp and the Siddaramaiah camp as well. Coming to exactly what this, where exactly this dissidence is stemming from, Tanima, the Karnataka Assembly elections now 2 years away in the year of 2023, and we're seeing how the Congress party, of course, has been gearing up for the elections, with, of course, the fact that, they did not really manage to hold their position along with the JDS combined over here in the state of Karnataka. So they would, of course, be hopeful that in the year 2023, their party comes to power. But the issue right now at hand is the fact that there's so much dissidence over here with two camps, and with several MLAs, several legislators speaking up again, from both the camps, speaking out against the other camp. So we're seeing how supporters of DK Shivkumar have in fact made statements against Siddaramaiah, and supporters of Siddaramaiah such as Zamir Ahmed, also one of the MLAs here, who's spoken up openly and said that Siddaramaiah is not a former CM but the future CM of the party. So at this point we've also had the high command of the Congress party intervening. Randeep Singh Surjewala yesterday, in fact, put out a statement as well, stating that, all efforts of the cadres of the party should be focused on getting the party to power in 2023 rather than on projecting CM faces. So, of course, one thing that would be very crucial over here, Tanima, for the party would actually to keep their party together as one and fight the elections in the year 2023. Right. Because, let's remind you, of course, over here in the state of Karnataka, right, when the Congress was in power, it was with, in fact, the JDS Congress combined.
Right. Right, Neha, thank you so much for giving us a comprehensive understanding of what exactly the Congress infighting in Karnataka is about.